Meet the sandcat, nature's cutest desert ninja. It looks like a fluffy kitten, but don't be fooled. It's a skilled predator, thriving in the hottest deserts on Earth. Its thick fur insulates it from both burning sand and cold desert nights. And those furry feet? Perfect desert shoes. They leave almost no tracks. Sandcats hunt venomous snakes and small rodents. And they don't need water at all. They get all moisture from prey. They're so secretive, even scientists rarely see them. Which wild creature should we cover next? Let us know in the comments.